Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download a VN app in laptop or PC. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to head to the official website called vlognow.me, or you can just do a Google search and land on this page. Now from here, depending what type of laptop you got, so if you got a Mac, you want to click on the download for Mac, Windows, or we can also download it on the App Store or get it on Google Play. But for this demonstration, I'm just going to run these guys through how to download it for Windows. So I'm going to click on for Windows here. Alright, so once I click onto that, it's going to say here how to download VN Video Editor for Windows. So it's a bit of a method, but that's alright. So from here, click on where it says download and install BlueStacks. I've got a video of how to download and install BlueStacks. I'll leave that in the comments below. But you can just follow this guide below here, how to download and install BlueStacks. It's going to show you how to do this. Alright, so once you've installed BlueStacks, from here we need to go ahead and open it up. So I'm just going to do a search for BlueStacks. Here it is here, so I'm going to open up BlueStacks 5. Alright, as you can see, it is loading up. So once this opens, we're going to do a search for VN Video Editor. Alright, as you can see, BlueStacks is now loaded onto my PC, and this is basically a free Android emulator for PC that lets you run Android apps and games on your Windows or Mac computer. It pretty much creates a virtual Android environment, so you can use apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, mobile games directly on your desktop. Okay, so once you've opened this up, now you want to go ahead and click on search for games and apps, and now type in VN Editor. Make sure to spell it correctly. Hit enter. Alright, so it doesn't appear here, so where it says search in Google Play, click onto that little button down below. Now this is going to go over to Google Play, and here it is here under the sponsored results, VN Editor and Maker by Ubiquiti Labs LLC. So it's got over 100 million downloads, so just go ahead and click onto that and then click on the blue install button, and that's going to download and install it like it's going to download and install on your mobile device. Alright, as you can see, it's downloading and then it'll install. Then after this, it will appear on your desktop home screen.